Hey guys, Rich with Southeast Auto Showroom. And next to me is a very cool and unique example of a 2023 911 Turbo S. It's got some pretty hefty equipment on it. It has just over $40,000 in options. It's finished in a chalk exterior, and inside you have a full leather black interior. The two biggest options that this car has are the Sport package and the Lightweight package. And when you have those two options combined, you have over $25,000 in equipment right off the bat. What the Lightweight package will include, which is just over $10,000, is all of your glass is going to be lightweight noise insulated glass throughout the whole car. You get a rear seat delete on the interior of the car, so you get that GT car feel and look. You've got your PASM suspension, which lowers the car from factory 10 millimeters. And then you have a factory sport exhaust in the rear of the car, and that's finished in gloss black, which I'll jump into the next package, which is your exterior sport package. Now, this one kind of gets confusing because if you go on Porsche's site and try to build a Porsche 911 Turbo S and you get to this option, there's like 5 different choices to choose. 2 or $6,000, 2 or $3,000, and then one is $15,000. The first 4 options are just portions of this package. And then the last option, which is what this car has, is the $15,000 true sport package exterior, which is going to consist of your aero kit elements underneath the front bumper. You're going to have a totally different bottom half of the front bumper. You're going to get these little winglets that come out on the sides. You have a different rear spoiler. I call it like a bucket that this top wing sits inside of now. And then with this package, all of these elements plus all of your other standard ABS plastic elements are all going to come in gloss black. So all the trim that would typically come just like that flat black plastic from factory is all painted in high gloss black now. So you have your intake ducts, your side skirts, the front bumper, rear diffuser, top of the wing, all of your window trim. I mean, everywhere you look is all nice high gloss black finish. On top of those pieces of equipment, you have a carbon fiber roof and you have carbon fiber side mirrors as well. And then your entire lower housing, once again, that would be standard plastic of the side mirror, is finished in gloss black. You have your wheels finished in satin gray, which is a really nice contrast to the chalk exterior. And that'll do it for your exterior sport package. Another few pieces of equipment that you're going to find in this car that are more of your safety and comfort and convenience features are going to be your adaptive cruise control up front. So anytime you have this globe-like structure in the front of your bumper, that's going to be your adaptive cruise control. You also have a front camera along with one camera in each side mirror and a rear camera, giving you your 360 park assist cameras, so you get that bird's eye view when you're parking the car. This car does have a front axle lift, so when you're approaching a steep driveway or any type of ground surface that you feel needs a little boost up front, you can easily click your button on your dash. It's going to raise the front end of this car. You can clear what you need to clear, and then you go ahead and click it again, and it will lower the car back down. The sport exhaust that the car has is also controlled right next to that front lift button on the dash, and that's going to go ahead and open and close your exhaust valves. So it's a valved exhaust from the inside, and when they're open, it's going to be loud. When they're closed, it's going to be in its more subtle tone. Now, you also have the ability to control that on your steering wheel from your dial on the right-hand side. That's going to utilize your Sport or Sport Plus mode. And with both of those modes, it will open the exhaust automatically, along with dampening suspension and stiffening steering, and a few other components as well. So that's pretty much the bulk of what this car has. All the rest of the equipment is pretty standard on these. It's lane keep assist and AC heated seats, your Porsche dynamic chassis control. You know, I can go on and on about more of the standard features that the car has, but those are your bulk items that stand out and are going to set this one apart from just your generic 911 Turbo S. You do have to pay attention big time to what you're looking at apples to apples with Porsche product. They're very, very specific cars. You could have 2 cars sitting next to each other with $20,000 to $25,000 differences in equipment. So just make sure you guys are looking at your window stickers, comparing and contrasting. That way you know exactly what you're getting when you're looking at these cars. All right, so hopefully this was helpful. This is a super, super nice example of the car. So this is, once again, a 2023 Porsche 911 Turbo S Coupe. It's got a little over 4,000 miles on it, and it's available today at Southeast Auto Showroom, so give us a call.